Hey y'all, it's Nita and I'm back today with another tutorial. Today I wanted to do a nice spring look for you guys, and I wanted to show you guys my new products from Glam Galore Club Cosmetics. Look at this freaking packaging. Is this not the cutest thing? Oh my god, this is so cute. So this is a black owned cosmetic company, and I've been trying out the eyeshadows and some of the face products over the last couple of weeks. I haven't been doing a lot of makeup just because we're on quarantine and everything, but I have been playing with them so that I can come give you guys an honest review and just share with you guys these products that I love, especially given our climate. I'm all for supporting all of our black owned businesses. So if you're interested, stay tuned and keep on watching. This is the palette, and I don't know exactly what I want to do just yet. We just gonna kind of wing it. So we're gonna start by using a warm color in our crease. I think I'm gonna start off with this one here, or maybe orange, don't really know. Yeah, I'm gonna start off with that warm brown color and just pop that into my crease. And I did go ahead and do my brows off camera, and I do have some concealer on my eyelid, just as to prep my eyes for the shadow. So I'm just gonna work this warm brown all into my crease. I think I'm gonna take this orange and put that in the crease as well. Yeah, I'm gonna pop that into the crease, but just a little bit closer to the lid area. I'm not gonna take it all the way up. So I'm kind of keep that tight in here. I'm just gonna take this brush and just kind of blend that out. I didn't put any extra product on the brush, just blending out the crease area. All right, I'm torn between using this purple shade. Sorry y'all. Okay. Trying not to get that light to blind y'all, but I'm torn between using this purple shade and this pink shade here, or this yellow. You know what, let's use the yellow. I'm gonna use the yellow on my lid because it's spring, summer, and we just want to go ahead and, you know, give a bright pop. Why not? And this yellow is very pretty. It's not a matte yellow. It does have a sheen to it. It's like a shimmery yellow. Now, one thing I will say about this is that you do get a bit of fallout, so just be mindful of that. So you definitely want to do your eyes first. I like that. I like that. All right, to give this a little bit more intensity, I am going to spray my brush with a little bit of setting spray. Yeah, that did it. What I like to do, you don't necessarily have to do a cut crease, but I do like to kind of use my brush to cut it a little bit right in there. All right, now that that's on, I'm actually going to go ahead and take that purple, or do I want to use the pink? Actually, I think I'm going to use this plum shade here, or maybe I'll use both. I'm going to take, yeah, I think I'm going to do this plum. I'm going to use this plum shade to kind of deepen the crease. pack that on here. I don't know how I feel about that, y'all. Okay, so I got my pink. I'm gonna carry that a little bit more into the crease here. Then I'm going to take that same fluffy brush that I used for the transition shade, and I'm just going to blend that out. I didn't put anything else on the brush. I'm just going back over those edges. So now I'm going to pause the eyes because I'm going to go ahead and do my face, because I think I'm gonna do purple liner. I think I'm gonna take the eyeshadow and try to make a liner out of it. So we're gonna see how that goes. You know what? Before I put my foundation on, I'm gonna actually go ahead and give that a try. So one moment, please. All right, I'm just gonna take this little bitty brush. It's not angled because I couldn't find my angle brush. And I'm just gonna take quite a bit of Fix Plus on the brush, and I'm going to dip it into the purple eyeshadow to see if I can kind of make, if I can get it pasty enough to do like a liner situation. Let's see. I don't think it's going to work, y'all. Hold on. No. Okay, that's an epic fail. That's an epic fail, so I'm gonna revisit the purple later. All right, we're gonna move on to the foundation. So I did get the Glam Galore Club foundation, and I have the shade F42, and I will insert a link to the type of foundation it is and what it's supposed to do. I just do know that it is full coverage, but I can't remember the exact specs, and I can't, it's on the box, but it's matte black, so I can't read it. But it comes in this cute matte black box. I can't talk today. Anywho, but yeah, I got the shade F42, and it does come in a pump bottle, so I'm just gonna do 2 pumps because it did give a generous pump, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop that onto my face. And I did go ahead and prime with the Milk Hydro Grip primer, so I did that off camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and pat this in. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my foundation off camera and come back with lashes and liner. Be right back. All right, you guys, so I'm back. So I went ahead and finished my face, and I did go ahead and figure out the purple liner. So I used this purple liner by LA Girls I used that, and then I went over the top of it with the purple shade from the Glam Galore, and it's called Blossom. So I went ahead and lined, actually it's called Rain, sorry, this beautiful purple. So I went ahead and lined my eyes first with this purple liner, and then I took that small brush and I packed the purple eyeshadow on top. And so I did that, you know, finished the rest of my face off camera. So I'm also going to highlight using the Glam Galore Club highlighter in the shade Sugar Daddy. And it looks like this. Pop it right in here. And I'm gonna actually highlight under my brow bone with it as well. So now I'm going to pop on lashes, and I'm using another black owned beauty brand as well, and this is for Normal Beauty. I know I'm probably saying this wrong, but it's this brand right here. This is their Instagram and all of their information, and I'll also link them down below. I'm using the lash style Anime. Alright, so last but not least, we're gonna do a lip, and I am a nude girl. I just love a nude lip, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm going to line my lips with the MAC Chestnut Lip Liner, and I'm going to be using the shade Bear from the Glam Galore Cosmetics. And this was the final look. I'm beyond pleased with the way everything turned out. Check out the description box below for a link to every product used, as well as a discount code. I'll also be uploading a detailed review on this foundation next week, so be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss the upload. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.